Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all one of my favorite dishes to make, and this one is for stewed sardines, and I like making this using the tin sardine from Brunswick. Their sardine fillets come cleaned and packaged for you to use straight out of the tin. So if you guys would like to see how to make this amazingly delicious recipe, keep watching. We're going to start by making our sauce. So to my bowl, I'm going to add in sweet chili sauce. In goes some oyster sauce. Next goes in soy sauce, and I'm using a garlic and ginger flavored. Next goes in some ketchup. And if you don't use ketchup, you can use tomato paste and use half of the amount. I'm going in with tomato paste also. I like it extra rich, hence the reason why the ketchup and the paste. In goes some annatto or roucou powder, or you can use the roucou liquid, sesame oil, and some water to create our sauce. We're going to give this a mix. Mix it in really well. Make sure all of the ingredients are well incorporated. Once incorporated, set it aside. Now I'm using the tomato and basil flavor and the one with the hot peppers. So the red pack and the orange pack. You guys feel free to use whichever ones you want for this recipe. It will taste amazing. And if you're watching your diet, they do have one that is free from sodium. So as you guys can see here, I'm mixing and matching. You guys feel free to use whichever flavors you want, even the smoked flavor if you would like to give it that smoky taste. And as you can see, I'm opening it and you can tell it's already cleaned for you. So all of the work has been taken out and it's so easy to use this new sardine. To a skillet, we're going to start on a medium heat and add in some oil. Before the oil heats up, we're going to add in some ginger and some garlic. I want, as the oil starts to heat up, the ginger and the garlic would start heating up with it and release the flavors into the oil. You don't want to burn the ginger and the garlic, so be very careful. Once it starts to sizzle, we'll add in our aromatics. Going in with some chopped pimento peppers, some chopped bell peppers, I'm using colored, sliced onions, and we're going to give that a mix. Allow it to saute for about a minute or so. Season with some salt to help bring out the flavor in the veggies. Give it a mix. You want to leave your vegetables tender crisp. If you want your vegetables really soft, of course feel free to cook it longer. And if you wanted to add some sliced mushrooms in here, of course you can. I'm adding in some grated carrots. Now these are finely grated carrots and some chopped tomatoes. I'm just going to give that a mix. Let it heat through for about 20 seconds. Doesn't have to be cooked long. I want my vegetables to remain crisp. And now we're going to add in that sauce that we made. Give your sauce a mix to incorporate it with your veggies. And this smells so heavenly right now. I wish you guys can smell it. Now, once you've mixed that in, let's add in our sardines. Guys, so I'm using 2 different flavors. Now, when you're moving around the filet, you just want to be very careful. If you like it chunky like I do, be careful and move it around so it doesn't break apart a lot. You want to nestle those into the sauce and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. All of the flavors from the sauce, they're going to infuse, they're going to get into the fish, they're going to flavor that fish so beautifully. Now how beautiful does that look? Looks so delicious, right? And all you have to do when it's finished, garnish with some chopped scallions, and then it's ready to be served. I love serving this over ground provision. It's the best. I hope you all enjoyed today's episode. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. As I said, it's great with provision. Remember to check out their full line at your leading supermarkets. And remember how convenient it is that the fillets come cleaned. Thank you all so much for watching. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.